So this is what it looks like upstairs from my room, and it wraps all the way around. Look at this. This is gorgeous. I've never seen a B&B like this. And it goes all the way around. And then the treetops. That's real mangoes on the tree. But we're going to get a closer look at these mangoes, and you're free to have as many mangoes as you can reach at the top of the street. Okay, so let us start off by talking about how beautiful this Airbnb is. Those are kids having fun. I had to record this. Look at this. Can you see the ocean? Anyway, if you haven't seen it yet, we're going to be seeing it a little closer. I am above the trees. Tamarind tree, mango tree, ackee tree. But we're going to go get a closer look at this place because it is stunning. Just start off right here. Now, if you know me, you know I love nature. And if you put on Airbnb nature, I am staying there. So here we are as we descend the staircase from our room. We hear the kids playing on the swing and the hammock, but I can't show you that because the kids are there. And down here has another wraparound balcony, wraparound terrace rather. And here we have the plum tree. And beside the plum tree, we have the ackee tree with ackees on it. If you're watching this video, you don't know what an ackee is. It's Jamaica's national dish. The dog just charged me. Anyway, let us continue our tour of this lovely property. So the mangoes are abundant out here. I cannot believe how many mangoes are on the ground when I'm buying $1,000 a plate for East Indian mangoes on the street. Put my glasses on so I can see the good mangoes. This one is perfectly good. That's East Indian. But my friend said, do not pick up any. But I find it very hard to not pick them up because these are perfectly good East Indian mangoes just sitting on the ground. I don't understand this. Like, East Indian mango is the best mango. And it is the most expensive mango. And they're just, look at this, just sitting under the tree on the ground. Okay, that one is not good. That one was not helping me tell my story. This one is perfectly good. Who's talking? Good evening. Perfectly good. Sorry? Okay, so I was looking at a whole bunch of other mangoes, but I'm gonna have to get off of the mangoes now. Look, nothing wrong with this mango, not a blemish. And they're just sitting on this. Is just a little bruised. Anyway, I have to get off the mangoes now because I have the rest of the property and I'm gonna go by the beach. Okay, the dogs are not giving a good soundtrack, so I'm gonna leave right after I catch the tamarind tree. Tamarind, as we say in Jamaica. Tamarind, as it is pronounced. The tree is full of tamarind. And I would love some tamarind bar, but I'm not gonna be here for long. This tree is what? What tree is this? What tree is this? What kind of tree is? Sweets up? Today I recorded a video of clothes on the line. This is the clothes line, the stick to hoist the line up. I'll share that video some other time. This is a soursop tree, another giant East Indian mango tree. Oh, look at this mango tree. Burdened with ripe mangoes. But I was asking what this tree is. This one. You don't know? Doesn't look like soursop. This one is an almond tree. Cashew. That is an almond. This is a cashew tree. We're going to go to the other side of the property. And then I'm going to show you the view that made me want to come here. For the first time I saw it 2 months ago. I said I am going there if it's even for one night. I came for one night and this is my this is my fourth night. Oh my God, I am extremely unpredictable. Let us walk over here. You know what? We're not going to this because down here so even bigger. So I'm going to go over here soon. Alright. I'm not going to say anything more about the mangoes, but they are stone dog. So, banana trees over here. It is so big. It will take me an entire day to walk out all of it. Breadfruit tree, more trees that I can't even name. See, that's a cashew tree again. More sweet sop tree, and it keeps going. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. And this is an Airbnb. Listen, this is an Airbnb. The plum tree with the low limbs that you can just sit on the limb and just take a breeze. Nice. The property is never ending. But this is for nature lovers, okay? Because I know some people are going to come in here talking about, oh no, bugs. I'm not going in there because of the bugs. So far, no bug, no bite me. Oh my God. Eh? Pear. Oh my God, I never saw the pear tree. Okay, I can't be saying that in the video. I need to be a little more composed. Let me compose myself. Well, up on the pear, hold on, I can't see them with the light. Okay, well, this is pear, aka avocado. And the tree is laden with them as well. Let me can't see them. See one there, see two there, see three there, see them there. And everybody's favorite fruit, my least favorite, and I will not apologize for saying it, the jackfruit. This one has no fruit right now though. I cannot stand jackfruit, and I'll say it right here. Come and get me. What is this? This is breadfruit? Oh yes, it does have those weird breadfruit leaves. I was about to say papaya. Anyway, let's keep going. This is so exciting for me. Wait there. It has soursop on it? Oh, the soursop tree. And then the breadfruit tree have on. Breadfruit tree seem like it always have breadfruit. Breadfruit always in the season? Anyway, let's keep going. I am not pausing this video because there's too much editing. But I really want to get on the other side, and then I want to get another mango tree with a nice picking stick in it. This one has yielded its bounty already. What kind of mango tree this? Okay, well, let's keep going. Small mango like Julie. Look at these. Let me get a picture of this right here. I think I took a picture. Or let me get a picture of this view for my cover photo. And this view is gorgeous as well. So that's what the side of the property looks like. Now let's go down here. And it is, I was saying to a friend this morning, the terrain is a little rugged. It's not like fully designer landscaped. It's just the only thing that looks like it was orchestrated was these palm trees along the entry. But I'm going to go from the other way because that's a better vantage point of the property. This is a drive coming up. I'm walking down it. What are these? Some sort of palm? Okay. You're coming through these big gates now. This is called, well, I won't say the name, but I'll leave the WhatsApp number for it if anybody want to come here. But it is extremely secluded, and it has these two giant gates here. Like, you would never expect that this was here, because when I saw it, I kept saying to my family, where is this? Where is it? And they're like, I've never seen it. They're like, I don't know where that is. I've never seen that place. And so I finally came. So this is the view that made me want to stay here. This is giving like country plantation. This is what I loved. I was like, where have I ever seen a drive with palm trees with a big old house circular at the end of it? And nobody knew where that was, but I had to come here. So this is what I saw in the listing. Now I'm gonna go see if this walk can take me to the beach. I love exploring. This is the walk out. Let me see if I can get to the beach to catch the sunset, because I've been waiting for the golden hour. But this is the walk out. It's very unassuming, trust me. You would never notice down here. Here's a lamp with a camera in it, so you don't have to worry. The place is very secure. And the weird thing is, I swear, I've been down here for, I won't say how long, and I have never, ever felt unsafe. Every time I say to somebody, you're not going to close the door, they laugh at me. Why? What's the problem? And I'm like, burglars? Hello? Boogeyman? Monsters? They're like, what? And they're laughing at me. I feel so embarrassed when I'm saying, oh, something crazy is going to happen. Everybody's like, are you crazy? My nephew has a way of saying to me, your head gone? Because he does not know what I mean when I say I feel afraid that a place or an activity is dangerous. He's like, your head gone? And I'm going to pause now, and then I'm going to go to the beach. The walk is, this is country. This is the walk in the country. I wonder if this property belongs to the Airbnb, because this is acres. Coconut tree. It says posted no trespassing, keep out. Could be a part of the property because it was extended over and I didn't see a fence. But we're just walking to the beach from the Airbnb. I swear, I can't put into words what this feels like. Like, this is real country. You're in the country. You're just walking on a gravel road because it's not country if it doesn't have a gravel road. Oh my God. And you're passing ackee trees and pear trees. And you're hearing rooster at 6 o'clock in the evening. And then you're passing this gigantic house. Whoa, that mango tree has mangoes. Schmangoes. You're passing a big 2-story house right here, and you're like, am I in the country? Some of the most amazing houses I've seen are down here. So, oh, the camera. It's a big house there. Let's move on. All them foolishness you know. Look at all them foolishness you know. Watch you know. Look at what them mango here. Is that East Indian? Or number 11? All them foolishness you know. But then we're in the east, so this is where I was told. My brother said this parish and which other parish that bear the most East Indian mangoes? And if Portland have East Indian. If Portland has East Indian mangoes, let me know. As I was saying, only some parishes grow East Indian mango. Passing this lovely house, but we just catch 1 second of it. We hear the roar of the water. What is it? School?
I'm not sure.
What is it?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Alright, to the pool, to the beach, I mean. For a second, I thought that was a person I'd have to go and rescue with my high school swim class swimming. Yes, this is a private beach. Now there I was thinking I had arrived at the beach, and I was thinking, oh, this is very private and tucked away. But I was told that is not the beach. Said that's not the actual beach. We're going to go to the good part. So let's go to the good part. I wonder if there's a secret code to get through here. Walking along this little wall and ducking on the trees and turning around corners was just so thrilling for me. I felt like I was on an expedition, like I was on an adventure, like I was about to discover something. And I was. Get a picture of it. But I'm afraid. Is this wall secure? Is this wall safe?
Maybe.
This is perfect serenity. Oh my God. I swear, if I am not having the best life ever, I don't know who is, because this is perfection. All right, let's continue the tour. We just had a bunch of tourists right here, a family and a couple. But I'm told I haven't gotten to the pretty part of the beach yet. Can't wait to see that. We are getting there. People are in the water. We're walking along this wall. We are in the water. And now we're at the beach. I can't be here and not put my foot in the water. Should I? I don't know how I was so blessed to be born on this island, but even more than that, I was so blessed to be born in this parish. As I stood there enjoying the vastness of this ocean, the song by Martina McBride was playing in my head. I hope you still feel small when you stand beside the ocean. Words can scarcely express how I was feeling in this moment, but from the way I was giggling like a third grader, you can tell. Alright, so we pretty much came to the end of our video. I was attempting to capture a beautiful twirl with the waves beneath my skirt. However, I didn't do so successfully. Or did I? I'll share the photo montage and you'll tell me how well I did. Drop a comment letting me know if you would visit this place. I will drop the link and the phone number in the description below. No, I was not paid to create this video. I just saw the place on Airbnb. I wondered where it was. I eventually booked my reservation and I went there, and after getting there I was just so in awe of the natural unspoiled beauty that I extended my stay a day. I extended it another day till it ended up that I was there for 4 days. The host was most gracious because I was being very wishy-washy. But if you read any of the reviews of this place, you will know that Anthony is just the nicest host. If you're looking for a place away from the maddening crowd where you can roam and ramble and enjoy unspoiled nature and eat fruits all day and end your day with a beautiful sunset at a private beach, this is the place for you. I'm Gail. Thanks for watching. So yes, this place is listed on Airbnb. You will find the link in my description below. I was not showing the interiors because I went there for the nature, but you can see the interiors on Airbnb.